Hi everyone, now I'm gonna demonstrate you how to hang S4 curtain at home and also how to fix the S4 curtain width. So this is quite important. So now I'm gonna just start to show you on this little sample here. But the proper S4 curtain was quite large than this. This is just a sample, it's quite small. So after you receiving the curtain, open up and find the hooks. Looks like this. We put in the hooks into those runners in the track. So this is not a track. But in the proper track, you will have found these little runners. Looks like this. So how to hang them? And starting with the first one, put into the runners. And then followed by the second one. The third one. Try not to miss any of them because the number of the runner match of runner of the hooks. So there's one hooks go into one runners, and all the hooks are even numbers. Because two hooks create one S4 wave. Okay, after hang them up, we start from the one side to fixing them. So let's say this is the wall and this is the ceiling. So the starting point always facing to the wall. So this piece always facing to the wall. Do not look like this. So if it looks like this, we have to flip over. Also, this is first two wave. And followed by the second one, we push them inwards like this. And follow the two hooks comes outwards. And then the next one will push in. And then the third wave. And this one go inwards. So the follow next two wave like this. So this going push in and this one outwards. So say this has 10 runners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 wave, 10 runners. And also ending point facing to the wall as well. So it comes like neat, very neat S4 wave curtains.